Congratulations to tonight's winners. You are an inspiration to others in showing what learning can really achieve.
Hi, Chris Needs here from BBC Wales, and I'm taking time out of my friendly garden to wish the winners here tonight all the very best for your future learning journeys.
Congratulations to all the winners tonight and all the very best for the future.
Congratulations, llong gyfarchiadau. You've been phenomenal. You've won the awards, you've learned something new. How amazing is that? Hopefully you will go on to inspire others to do the same. You're a credit to yourselves, your family and all the communities throughout Wales. So enjoy this evening, well done.
Nothing comes from nothing. We all realise we have to work hard to get the rewards. There are always barriers you have to overcome, but through hard work and determination we were able to do this. As a professional rugby player, we realise that continuous learning is very important. You all have supporters, whether it's friends, family, or tutors or teachers, and they should be congratulated for the part that they've done in achieving this. Finally, congratulations to all you winners out there tonight. Keep achieving, keep learning, and more importantly, keep making a difference to yourself and your families. You're an example to us all.
Noswaith pawb, good evening. I just want to say many congratulations to you all. You've achieved amazing things tonight and you really deserve everything you get. Some of you have had some huge barriers to overcome as well, I know, which is even more incredible. So I just want to say have a great evening and well done to you all. Da iawn. Yn enwedig i'r pobl sydd wedi dysgu Cymraeg. Hwyl fawr.
Hello, it's Huw Stevens here from BBC Radio 1. Just passing by to say a very big and heartfelt congratulations, llongfarchiadau to all the winners here tonight. Mae bob un ohonoch chi wedi bod yn ysbrydoliaeth ac yn dangos y ffordd ymlaen I oedolion dros Gymru. You're all a massive inspiration and you're all showing the way forward for all adults in Wales. So well done, the very best wishes from everyone here at BBC Wales. Enjoy the rest of the evening, you deserve it. Daliwch ati. Hwyl!